Now we are doing the exercise 7.4 optional. This is the optional exercise. Question number 1 is determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2 and B 3 7. Now we do the solution. See, this line AB is given. The coordinates of A are 2 minus 2 and coordinates of B are 3 7. Then this line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is dividing this line, say in ratio k ratio 1. P is the point of the intersection of the both of the lines. The coordinates of P are x1, y1. Now we will apply the section formula to find the coordinates of P. P x1, y1 is k into 3 means 3k plus 2 into 1 means plus 2 upon k plus 1 and k into 7 means 7k and minus 2 into 1 minus 2 upon k plus 1. Now x1 is 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 and y1 is 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. Because Px1 y1 lies on the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This point is lying on line AB as well on this line also. It means that this point will satisfy the condition for this line also. If we put the values of x1 and y1 in this equation, then it will satisfy this equation. Therefore, we put the values of x1 and y1 in the line. 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. And we put the value of x1 here on the place of x and y1 here on place of y. Then we solve it to find the value of k. It is 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. Because we have taken k plus 1 as the LCM, minus 4 is equal to 0. Then we take k plus 1 as LCM, then it will become here minus 4 into k plus 1 upon k plus 1. When this k plus 1 goes to the right side, then it will become 0. Then we solve these equations. 2 3 is a 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4 into k plus 1 means minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. From here we get the value of k is equal to 2 by 9. So 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This line divides AB in ratio 2 ratio 9. Means this line divides AB in ratio 2 ratio 9. Once again, see what we have done in this question. Coordinates of A are 2 minus 2, coordinates of B are 3 7 and this line 2x plus y minus 4 is dividing this line in ratio say k ratio 1 and P x1 y1 is the point that is lying on both of the lines because it is the point of intersection. Then we apply the section formula to find x1 and y1 in the form of k. Then these values of x1 y1 are put in this equation. At the place of x and y, we will put the value of x1 and y1 that was in the form of k. Then we solve this equation to find the value of k that comes out to be 2 ratio 9. Means this line is dividing this line in ratio 2 ratio 9. This is the solution. You can see the solution of this question.